gonna make a light, refreshing raspberry mousse using Planet Hemp's superfood hemp heart as its creamy base, and a couple of wild card ingredients like bean water. Let's see if I can do this. Oh my God! Now that this is chilled and looking like a little pink pillow of goodness, I'm gonna add a little bit of garnish. 3 brave raspberries that are about to get devoured. The hemp really adds not only that creamy texture, but a little bit of extra protein. You'd never expect that hemp hearts and bean water turn into something so airy and delicious. Super delicious. You're like, too far. Raspberry on the chin. Oh, I thought I got it!